Hola amigos, ¿cómo estás? Today I will show you guys the Ride Free Collection Derby cover. I will install it, see how it looks like. Right now I'm just gonna unbox and show you the content. Comes with a manual and 5 bolts. They have Loctite on it as well as washers, and this is the main part. That's basically the reason why I got it. I think it's pretty cool, and it will cover the stock factory derby cover, and it give it a little bit more pop and a nicer look. So let's get down to it. All you need for this installation is T27 Torx. I'm just gonna loosen up the bolts by turning the wrench counterclockwise and fast motion. Vroom. There you go. Watch and learn. Watch and learn. By the way, this is my helper, Lee. Factory derby cover is now off. With the motorcycle upright on the lift, there was no oil spillage, but I just put the dish just in case. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to remove the seal that's on the old factory derby cover and reuse it and place it into the new derby cover. Just fit it in the groove. Make sure it's nice and even. And then I'm going to put it back same way as I found it. Just wanted to show you the difference between the stock and the new bolts. Definitely the new ones are more shiny, more chrome, so that's another reason why you should use them. Plus they have Loctite on them, so they will hold better than your existing bolts. I'm almost done, I swear. Look at me go. So that's basically it. That's how it looks like. I do have one more tip for you guys. I use this spray and cleaner polish whatever product by Harley Davidson. I'll put the link in the bottom. It works great on the chrome parts and plastic. Gives it a little bit of more shine and definition. And I don't know what they put in it, but it smells really, really, really good. Here's a closer look of the final install. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more future content. Shift gears and cheers.
Lee, bye, te amo.